got tunnel vision, all I see is my mission. All I see me winning on my time, independent time. Make it out the trenches till I shoot up to the ceiling, till I be the fucking sickest, till I blow up on the city. For every tear I need a million, yeah, I'm on my road to witches. That's why I told them bitches gas, you sold them bitches songs, yeah, I wrote them bitches guns, do not told them bitches punches, yeah, I throw them bitches haters, gotta show these bitches. Try to fucking rock and roll, I'm a kid that band and roll, I never break the code, I never set my soul in the music, put my soul, son, this natural soul. Swear to God, my heart is cold, just like count, bait on foes. Remember the days I was poor, I ain't even had no clothes. Now I'm cheesy with my goals, put my feelings in the yard, put my feelings in that hole. Put my foot up on that doors, I had no boost, the bitch it drove. I'm used to the rain, side down to the weather. They wanna see me spread my wings, don't wanna take out my feathers. And I realize I'm chosen, I know that I'm special. When it come to relationships, I ain't never gon' settle. But I ain't about chasing at no bitch, I'm out chasing my cheddar. Fell chasing my dream, swear to God forever. I've been trying to come up, trying to reach a new level. Cause I've been down so long, can't wait this shit get better. I thank my family. And lost and found, I don't think me and Jada can never rebound. They won't help me, they wanna see me on the ground. So when I come up, I don't want them around. I be smoking on the gas, let me calm the fuck down. I'ma keep working hard till I'ma talk of the town. I'ma die fucking living just like James Brown. I like to grip on no guitar, I like to feel orange strings. Got a fucking broken heart, but now I'm going through some things. Fat the blow up became a star, kinda driving me insane. But I'ma keep working hard till I bid me up a name. I'ma keep working hard till I feed the whole gang. I'ma keep working hard till we make out the rain. I'ma keep working hard, want the money and the fame. I'ma keep working hard till my life still change. And bitch, you know I never change. I ain't never went against the grain. My heart feels so much fucking pain. For they promise on one day blame, but loyalty is what they claim. But be doing whole shit, they should be ashamed. Little bit of weed slump my brain. I'm thinking about putting drugs in my veins. Bitch, you already know time rock and roll. You just see me just rock the flow. Bitch, you already know I'm in rockin' mode. Bitch, you already know time rock and roll. Over my fate, I got control. I'm screaming fuck love, I never propose.